Hey everyone, great to see you again. Super excited for today's video because I'll be showing you some of the coolest AI tools in Fotor that you don't want to miss. We'll dive into Fotor's text-to-video, image-to-video, and reference-to-video features, where you can upload images of 3 different objects and bring them to life in a single animated video. Sounds awesome, right? That's not all. We'll also try out the start frame to end frame feature, which lets you take 2 images and smoothly animate them into a video. Plus, we'll experiment with the Kiss video generator and Hug video generator features to see what they can do. Besides all this, I'll also show you a free method to generate a perfect consistent character. And using this same method, I've created a short AI movie with Fotor. We'll check that out together too. So, let's not waste any time. Let's dive right in. If you're ready to dive into some amazing AI-powered tools, let me walk you through Fotor, a powerhouse for creators. To get started, head over to Fotor.com and you'll land right on their homepage. Now, here's where the fun begins. In the image section, you'll discover a treasure trove of tools designed to take your creativity to the next level. You've got an AI photo editor, an AI image generator, and even an AI headshot generator for professional-looking portraits. Need to remove backgrounds? No problem, there's an AI background remover for that. Want to design graphics or swap faces? Yep, they've got you covered with an AI graphics designer and an AI face swapper. Oh, and if you're into collages, there's a collage maker, plus a batch editor that lets you edit multiple images at once. Super handy for saving time. But wait, there's more. You'll also find tons of AI artifacts, the ability to mimic faces and images, and even an AI hairstyle changer to experiment with new looks. And if presentations are your thing, don't miss the AI slide maker. Plus, you can join Fotor's creative community to connect with other users. Now, if you're into video creation, you're in for a treat. Fotor integrates with Clipfly's video editor, and in the video section, you'll find tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, Kiss video generator, Hug video generator, reference-to-video, first frame and last frame, face mimic, and even AI talking avatars. These tools are perfect for bringing your ideas to life. Today, we're going to explore all these incredible features, but we'll focus most of our attention on the image-to-video tool. Why? Because it's going to help us create AI-generated movies with consistent characters, a game-changer for storytelling. But before we jump into that, we'll start by testing out the text-to-video tool to see how it generates videos. Trust me, this is going to be exciting, so stick around. Alright, here's the plan. On this platform, you have the flexibility to use both text-to-video and image-to-video tools. But to really understand their strengths, we're going to take a step-by-step approach. First, we'll craft a video using the text-to-video tool. Then, we'll take the exact same prompt and plug it into the image-to-video tool. Why are we doing this? Simple, it's all about comparison. By using the same input for both tools, we'll get a clear side-by-side look at how they perform. This will help us figure out which one delivers better results and suits our creative needs. Trust me, this is going to be an eye-opening exercise, so let's dive in and see what these tools can do. You can generate videos in 3 different resolutions, 720p, 320p, and 1080p. So whether you're aiming for standard quality or full HD, Fotor has you covered. On top of that, you can choose between 2 video lengths, 4 seconds or 8 seconds. This gives you just enough time to create short, impactful clips. In addition to that, you can select styles. Here, you'll find 5 different styles available. And let's go ahead and choose cinematic. Alright, so now to test out the text-to-video tool, I'm throwing in this prompt: man building shelter from wood, leaves, and grass on an island. I've got the resolution set to 720p. And the duration is locked at 4 seconds. Once I hit that generate button, the video starts coming to life. Usually it takes about 2 minutes to finish, but sometimes it can stretch up to 4 minutes. To save you some time, I'm skipping the generation wait, and now we're jumping straight into checking out the generated video. So, this video got generated using the text-to-video model, but honestly, I'm not super impressed with it. Plus, we can't really keep character consistency here because we didn't even mention any details about what the character should look like. But now, let's switch gears and test out the image-to-video tool. So here, I'm going to upload an image that we want to animate, and in the prompt section, I'll just write the same prompt we used for text-to-video. Then, we'll keep the resolution and duration the same, hit the generate button, and the video will start coming together. And now our video has been generated, so let's play it and check out how it turned out. So if you compare this video to the text-to-video one, you can clearly see that this is way better. Plus, it's got more motion, and the clarity in the video is on point. On top of that, here's another video I generated using image-to-video with the same prompt but a different image, and check it out, it's even better. Alright guys, now we're going to learn how to create a consistent character for free, but before that, let's check out the short movie I made using Fotor.
One day, a man's ship sank in a terrible storm. He was the only one who survived, washing up on a lonely island. Scared and alone, he prayed to God, begging for help. But days passed, and no one came. He felt hopeless, but decided to keep going. He built a shelter from branches and leaves to hide from the sun and rain. He ate coconuts and caught fish to stay alive. One afternoon, while cooking food, he accidentally set his shelter on fire. It burned to the ground. Heartbroken, he cried out, "Why, God? Have you forgotten me?" That night, he fell asleep feeling angry and defeated. But the next morning, a loud horn woke him up. He looked out and saw a ship near the island. He waved wildly, shouting for help. The crew rescued him and explained, "We saw your fire signal last night." The man realized that the fire that destroyed his shelter had actually saved his life. He thanked God and understood something important. Sometimes what feels like a disaster is actually a step towards something better. In life, we face struggles like losing a job, failing a test, or going through a breakup. It's easy to feel like God or the universe isn't listening. But just like the man's fire, these bad moments might guide us to something we never expected. For example, losing a job could push you to start a business you've always dreamed of. A failed relationship might teach you what you truly deserve. An illness could inspire you to prioritize happiness and health. When things go wrong, don't give up. Keep trying, stay hopeful, and trust that there is a bigger plan, even if you can't see it yet. What looks like the end might just be the beginning of a brighter path.
So, what did you think of this story? Let me know in the comments how well Fotor animated these scenes. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Alright, let's move forward and learn how to create a consistent character. First, you need to open a new tab and head over to aistudio.google.com, then sign up. After signing up, click on Create Prompt, and select the model, Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. Then, in the video description, you'll find the main prompt. Just copy it, paste it into AI Studio, and hit send. Next, you'll send your story script. For example, I've got my story script here, so I'll copy it, paste it into AI Studio, and send it. After that, AI Studio will list all the main characters in your story. Then, it'll ask for their appearance details, like how they should look and what clothes they should wear. You can give it a simple prompt here, like write/add descriptions of John and the captain that suit them best, and use them in scene prompts, and send it. Now AI Studio will automatically add character details that fit their roles perfectly. Congrats, you've just trained AI Studio to generate scenes with character consistency. Alright, so after training AI Studio, we'll head back to our story script and copy whichever scene we want to generate. For example, if we need to create a scene from the script where the main character is shouting, we'll grab that scene from the script, copy it, then go back to AI Studio, paste it, and hit send. Now AI Studio will whip up a perfect prompt that matches the scene we mentioned in the script. And on top of that, it'll keep the character consistency intact. Now, we need to select and copy this prompt, then open a new tab and go to the Google AI Image Generator. You can find it by searching the URL. Once you're there, paste the prompt and hit create, and the scene's image will start generating. After the scene is generated, download the best image, head back to Fotor, and upload it there. Then, go back to AI Studio, copy the described scene prompt, and use it as a prompt in Fotor for animation. After that, select the resolution, click generate, and once the scene is done generating, we'll play it to see how it animated. So, now that the scene's animated, let's play it and take a look. In my opinion, the scene turned out decent, but I feel like it's missing a bit of motion. Still, despite that, it can totally work for storytelling. Alright, next up, we'll generate the next scene, and we'll use the same method. We'll copy the scene from the script, head over to AI Studio, and send it. AI Studio will generate a prompt for us, which we'll copy, then go back to ImageFX, paste the prompt, and hit create. The scene will start generating, and once it's done, we'll download the best image and upload it to Fotor. Then, we'll head back to AI Studio, copy the described scene prompt, paste it into Fotor, and click generate to animate the scene. If you want, you can write your own prompt instead of using the described scene one. I'm just showing you an easy and quick way. Alright, the scene's animated now, so let's play it and check it out. I've got to say, this one animated really well, and you can see the character consistency is totally on point. Plus, the motion in this scene is perfect. Alright, now let's move on to generating the third scene. I've already generated the image, so I'll upload it to Fotor, paste the described scene prompt, and hit generate. And here's the third scene of the story. You can see Fotor animated it really nicely too. So, this is how you can use Fotor's AI image to video for storytelling, keep character consistency with the help of Google's AI Studio for prompt generation, and use Google's ImageFX to generate high-quality images. Alright, guys, let's try out the Kiss video generator. First, we'll upload an image of a man, then a second image of a woman. After that, we'll leave the prompt blank because we don't need one here, and hit generate. Now, let's play the video and check it out. Yep, very good, the video turned out great. You can use this in a fun way, just don't go breaking up anyone's relationship, haha. Next, we'll test the hug video generator. We'll keep the same two images, no prompt needed here either, just click generate. Then, we'll play this video and see, yep, this one came out nice too. You can use it for fun as well. After that, we'll try the first frame and last frame video model. Here, we'll upload two images, one of a dragon and one of a devastated cityscape. Then add the prompt. A dragon is soaring through the sky, breathing fire from its mouth. Click generate, make the video, and play it. Honestly, this one didn't impress me much. The dragon just disappears at the end of the video. But no worries, let's move on. We'll try the reference video next. Here, we'll upload 3 different images, an astronaut, a football, and the moon's barren surface. Then write in the prompt, astronaut playing football on the moon. Hit generate, create the video, and this one followed the prompt pretty well, it turned out decent. You can use this for fun or even in content creation. Alright, now let's talk pricing. You don't need a subscription to use these tools, just buy some credits. For $2.66, you get 100 credits, and for $5.24, you snag 300 credits. One scene takes 20 credits to generate, so with 300, you can make 15 scenes, plenty for a short story video. Plus, in the rewards section, you can score some free credits too. In 7 days, you get 20 credits, refer a friend and grab 10 more, post in the community for another 10, or visit Clipfly for 8 credits. There are tons of tasks like these you can complete to rack up free credits. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and definitely give Fotor a try. All the links are in the description.